He got me.
As someone who likes to watch sports, I've been glued to the Paris Olympics. I couldn't help but notice not just the incredible performance of the Chinese athletes, but also their gear from Anta. Anta's air event garments, which they've been calling China's Gore-Tex, really caught my attention. And today I'm going to the Anta factory to learn more about this technology. So let's go. I'm at Anta's factory, and as you can see behind me, there's some robots. And I'm really surprised to see quite this level of automation in a factory that makes garments. So I'm just waiting for the guy who's going to show me around. So we're going to go take a look around. Good to meet you.
你好，你好，你好，你好。
Can you show me around?
这个是我们最新引进的一套全自动挂纱设备，这个在我们化纤织造行业应该是第一个自动挂纱、自动脱带、自动放版，实现这个全自动这个流程。
So many machines. Where's the people? Searching nobody in here. So this is then the finished fabric, and it's quite amazing that I go around all this factory, they're producing fairly huge quantities of fabric, and there's very, very few people here. There's a massive amount of this process is automated, and it seems even the people who are around the weaving machines are just really kind of inspecting and making sure nothing's going wrong. But it is very, very highly automated, and that's something that's really surprised me in the garment industry. I had no idea it would be so automated. So now we're at the process where they bond the 3 layers together to actually produce the aero vent fabric, and Jeffrey is going to tell me all about it.
所以这里是我们冲锋衣面料进行贴合的地方。通常来讲，我们冲锋衣的面料会有2到3层。这里是一个外层的面料，就是面部和我们的这个膜进行贴合的地方。那这里呢，就是我们用的这个胶水。
Oh, this is the glue, right?
是的。然后这个是一个环保的一个热熔胶，它的温度大概是在100度左右。然后通过这样一个滚，它有非常多的这个凸起，它可以把这个胶水均匀的涂敷在这个薄膜的上面，然后去进行一个贴合。贴合之后呢，我们会把这个布放到24小时时间，让它去做一个固化。3层的布的话，那我们会把一个里布和这样贴合好的一个布再去进行一个贴合，这样就完成了我们的贴合步骤。
This is bonding 2.
Yes.
And then it will come through the process again.
Yes.
For the 3rd layer.
Yes. But normally it will take 24 hours to make sure
the
it's stable.
glue's dry.
Yes. And this is environmental friendly glue.
Okay, yeah. No smell or very little.
Yeah.
It's okay.
那我们这个膜呢，就是由安踏和东华大学联合研发的安踏膜，它是由双向拉伸的技术来实现的。通过这样一个内层、外层，还有一个安踏膜的一个组合，能够实现我们中国甲的一个防水透湿的一个效果。
And how long did it take to develop the technology?
我们安踏膜是从2021年开始投入研发的，2023年正式的落地并且量产。到目前为止，我们还在进行持续的一个研发。我们的目标是要打造不同类型的安踏膜来适应不同的场景。
It's clear to see Anta are very serious about developing high-performance clothing, and that they're designing clothes that people really want to wear. So how does this magical air event fabric turn into garments? Let's go and have a look at the garment production line in action. I can't believe how clean and tidy it is. It's really impressive, yeah. Having a tour around the factory, I must say I'm super impressed at the level of automation, from digital cutting, digital sewing, to this system here that moves parts of garments and different garments around the factory. It can handle 35 different designs, feeding a total of 36 production lines. Really impressive. I don't think I've ever seen this kind of automation in factories abroad at all. Really impressive. So now we're off to an independent test lab to test the performance, both for waterproof and breathable, of the fabric for this jacket. So let's go. So here in my hand I have a piece of Anta's Aerovent fabric. We're here at an independent test laboratory. We're going to see how breathable and how waterproof this fabric is.
现在我们要对于这个面料的防水性能进行检测，一块是我们的一个表面抗湿性，一个是我们的一个抗渗水性。表面抗湿性的话，我们是以表面沾水等级进行一个检测。那我们将面料经过水喷淋之后，看它表面形成一个花形，跟标准的一个样卡进行比较，看它一个等级是几级，以判定它的一个性能如何。那它喷淋过程的话，一般是25秒到30秒之间。在喷淋结束后，将我们的样品向下敲击2次，之后去看它一个表面的一个图形，那进行一个等级的比较。那这个面料是属于是比较好的一个面料。
So you can see there's almost zero water on there. So we're comparing with this, the level 5 here. So it's now going on to this machine, which is a hydro tester. So what's happening now is they're putting water underneath this, under pressure, and you can see the pressure here going on 48, 49, 50, 51, and as you can see there is nothing coming through the fabric at all. Oh my god, that's really hard. That is like, oh my god, that is really hard. There's a lot of pressure under there. We're up to 300 now, and that is like as hard as rock. That is really hard. The massive amount of pressure underneath there. And the way we test it, we wait till 3 drops of water come through, and that's then its limit. But it makes me nervous that that's going to break and we'll just get covered in water. Oh! It got me. The standard is 50 kPa, and we've just pushed that fabric to 385.5 before it finally, and as you can see I got quite wet, but it's kind of cool to see that. I touched that as really hard, so it was very impressive to see, and obviously the fabric is extremely strong. So what we're going to do now, we're going to test the breathability of the fabric, and the way we're going to do that, we're going to get some hot water which creates steam, and we're going to put some, and then we're going to put the fabric over the top, and all being well, we should see some moisture come through, and that simulates your body sweating, and shows how the fabric can release that sweat, hence it's breathable fabric. It doesn't let the water in, but it can let your body sweat and moisture out through the fabric. And straight away you can see that the moisture has come right the way through on the breathable fabric. This you're getting a little bit, but almost nothing. This was like almost instant. You can see on the inside of this how it's let all that moisture through. Look, wow, that's really impressive. I've not witnessed anything so definitive as that. We're on a road trip and we've come through Hunan. We've been to Jiuzhaigou and we've just arrived in Qinghai. We've stopped to charge our car. It's chucking it down a rain, but I don't need to worry too much because I've got my Anta jacket with me to keep me nice and dry. As you can see, I'm absolutely nice and dry inside. And this is just perfect jacket. You get this unexpected weather. It was nice and sunny this morning. It's now chucking it down a rain, but I kept it in the back of the car. We stop, I can see it's raining, we want to go get some lunch, so slip it on and I'm all nice and dry. Also, if you follow my channel, you'll know I'm into technology. From the leading technology of Huawei's phones to the latest technology of BYD in the automotive industry. And now you have Anta, who are leading in the sports garments industry. And these companies not only lead in their field, but they shine globally. So a big thumbs up to Chinese technology and innovation. We are in Qinghai, so hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. But as always, for now, take care.